Satisfied with where you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
VO, whoa, did you catch that? The judge immediately apologizes for asking about citizenship. That's because under U.S. law, courts can't ask about a defendant's immigration status unless it's directly relevant to the case. A small mistake, but she catches it fast, and that shows experience.
Yes, it does.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not supposed to ask you whether or not you're a citizen. All right, who else is ready?
We're ready to set it down. It's Michael Sewell.
Michael Sewell.
So since I discovered I have curly hair, I have taken an interest in curl pattern
See, let me
and
just tell
products.
you, we are saving Vashon, right?
Well, it sounds too late. Well, not her aunt though. The products make all the difference for me.
VO, before things get serious, we get this random chat about curly hair. Yes, even in courtrooms, human moments slip through. Question for you. Should judges be allowed to lighten the room like this, or should everything stay strictly professional? Drop your thoughts below.
It does, it does. And you know, people who have curly hair don't want curly hair. People with straight hair want curly hair.
Yes,
I just decided in my time on the planet, let it do.
let it do. Yes, I understand that.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 00732 State versus Michael David Sewell. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinosa for the state.
Lauren left in for Mr. Sewell.
And are you Mr. Sewell?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
We did, Your Honor.
The court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. All right. And is there any applications?
No applications.
All right. Mr. Sewell, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are we proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, if you would allow, the state would move to orally amend the indictment.
VO, here's something subtle but important. The prosecutor asked to amend the indictment to fix the defendant's name order. It might sound minor, but legally, every character counts. If a name or date is wrong, the defense could later claim a procedural error. That's why they correct it on record.
It is alleged as the defendant's name is David Michael Sewell, but I believe his proper order is Michael David.
Any objections?
No objections to that. That's correct.
Mr. Sewell?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. We also need to, how do you spell your last name?
Sewell.
All right.
So we may need it.
Then also, Your Honor, may we add another after the W in the last name?
No objections.
All right. Any objection to the court changing the name in the paperwork?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
VO, now listen closely. The judge starts listing all the rights the defendant is giving up by entering this plea. Jury trial, cross-examination, and the right to remain silent. This is called a Boykin colloquy, meant to ensure the plea is truly voluntary. If the judge skips this step, the whole plea could be thrown out.
In all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your charge of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Well, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was thinking, I thought I went no contender.
She hasn't asked you.
Okay.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state would call in the right to remain silent.
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to do that and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Sewell, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not supposed to ask you whether or not you're a citizen. Did you understand by entering into this plea, if the court follows your agreement, if you are not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry into the United States? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 60 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, and there's $1,000 fine. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No.
VO, 60 days in county jail and $1,000 fine. Not the worst outcome for a state jail felony. But here's the catch. These short sentences can become revolving doors. Many defendants serve time, get out, relapse, and end up right back here. And the judge seems to know it.
Contest, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your
All
Honor.
right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulate.
VO, this is one of those moments that hit hard. The judge drops the role of formality and speaks straight to the defendant, human to human. You can feel the mix of warning and compassion. It's less about punishment and more about a lifeline. Real question, do you think tough love like this actually works in the justice system?
Of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. After reviewing the same, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just ask the court follow the plea agreement.
All right. So the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 60 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's $1,000 fine, time and money will run concurrently. And the court will give you credit for any time served. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
I'll question your $1,000 fine. How long was that?
The money and fine run together.
Okay.
All right. Do you have questions or not?
No, I'm okay.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to the attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. It's obvious that you have a drug problem, right? If you do not solve that problem, one or two things are going to end up happening. First thing, you're going to continue to get arrested, and you're going to end up spending a majority of your life in jail or either in prison. Or number two, you're going to end up getting a hold of some bad drugs, or who knows, maybe the drugs are just fine. But that one time, there may be some issues. And the last time you use may be the last time you use. And then somebody's going to have to identify your body. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, when you're released from the Bexar County Jail, if you cannot find a place that can help you with sober living or help you with any drug issues you may have, if I'm still here, you come back here and I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to help you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Johnson,
Who's next?
Sergio Martinez, page 6.